Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Duolingo? This is ticker DUOL. So I don't know about you, but we're doing a lot of sitting on our hands at Stock Market Mentor as we wait for the market to pick a direction, ideally upwards. And while the market is just kind of chopping around, I've been looking for stocks that are holding up well in and around their key moving averages. And Duolingo is definitely one of those because as the stock market is broken down, Duolingo is still holding above all their key moving averages. Now we have some interesting levels here. You can see that the stock is holding above this red line. That's the 50-day moving average. So that's a good sign of institutional support. And then we have this level up here at around 168.45, and that's been a pretty interesting resistance zone where every time the stock has gotten near it or gotten above it, it's been pushed back down by a seller or two. So I think that 168.45 level is pretty important, and I'm going to set an alert on my software right there and look for a strong move through that level and a close above coming ideally on higher than average volume. Now that could signal that this stock is ready to break out of its 4-month base of consolidation and make some higher highs. So that's the level I'm watching on Duolingo, ticker DUOL, and I hope you find it helpful and maybe set that alert on your trading platform as well. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.